Atong, Oma. Atong. Nanga Parbat Summit. 360-degree. Little cloudy this side. Wow, great view. This is Mingwa Sherpa, the second of Namban, Nanga Parbat, second of 2017, and this can be the post-autumn summit. Good weather.